We're back inside and Colleen's going to open up her eggs. What'd you get? Kit Kat, and what else? Hey, you're throwing candy at me. Thank you. Where's that thing?
A candy necklace.
Ooh.
Let's see what's in this.
Oh, you're opening the big eggs first.
Another candy necklace and another Kit Kat.
Oh my goodness. Is that another big egg or is it a little egg?
Big egg.
Well, golly, it's a candy necklace and a Kit Kat.
Let's see.
That silly Easter bunny.
It does look good. Okay. Wait, there's another big egg.
Oh, you just threw a golden egg behind you.
A golden egg?
Yeah, right out the basket. In the behind the basket, honey. Those open last. Remember, there's the special ones. Okay, wow. So we got lots of candy, necklaces, and Kit Kats. And what do you know? It's another candy necklace and another Kit Kat.
Okay. Now, let me open this blue little...
What's in the blue one? What is it? A Kit Kat. I wonder if the Easter Bunny knows you like Kit Kats.
A Kit Kat. Wait a minute.
What? I wonder what's in there. What is that?
A handy ring.
Oh, like a ring pop. Cool.
It's in a flower shape.
It's blue, too, just like the egg. What is that?
A green candy ring.
Oh, my God, you have so much candy.
Another Kit Kat.
Oh, my goodness, this Easter Bunny. It's another
Kit Kat. A Kit Kat.
What is it?
I already said Kit Kat.
Okay, what's in that one?
A Kit Kat.
That's silly Easter Bunny. Is that it?
Nope, there's a ring.
Ooh.
Now the 2 golden eggs.
What's in there?
Money.
How much?
3, looks like $3.
Is that $3? Count
No,
it.
4.
$4?
2, 3, 4. 4 $1 bills.
Oh.
I got $6.20 because remember my other $2.20?
Oh, okay. We have to find where you put those too, because we still haven't found those since we moved in.
More money! 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's how much is 4 plus 4?
8, and 8 plus 2
is
10.
Wow!
$10.20.
And would you like to say Happy Easter to everybody?
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!